Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling study effect sizes and their standard errors, then plot effect size on the x-axis and precision or inverse SE on the y-axis. Once done, calculate the pooled effect and draw a vertical reference line through it to guide interpretation. Make sure to also draw the funnel boundaries for a chosen confidence level, typically 95%, so you can see the expected triangular spread of points. Start plotting points immediately. This gets you into the data and reveals early patterns to investigate. Once the funnel is plotted, inspect the distribution. Larger studies cluster near the top while smaller studies scatter toward the base. If you see asymmetry, more points on one side, or gaps, consider small study effects or publication bias. Make sure to complement visual checks with quantitative tests such as Egger's regression or Begg's rank correlation to quantify asymmetry. Then run sensitivity checks like trim and fill and compare pooled estimates. This helps you separate random variation from systematic bias and clarifies the strength of evidence. You finalize by reporting both the original pooled estimate and any adjusted estimate after trim and fill, and describe heterogeneity and possible bias. Make sure to explain implications for practice and uncertainty due to asymmetry. If results seem inconsistent, first troubleshoot data. Verify extracted effect sizes, recheck standard error formulas, and inspect for outlier studies driving asymmetry. If problems persist, rerun analyses excluding suspect studies and report sensitivity results, so readers see how robust your conclusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.